Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare one vegan one-pot meal. I am going to add lots of vegetables in this dish and it will be protein-rich one-pot meal. So let me go ahead and prepare this vegan one-pot meal. For this recipe I am using olive oil. I took 2 tablespoons olive oil. When oil is hot enough, I'll add 4 cloves of crushed garlic. I'll fry for half minute, then I'll add 1 red chili. If you don't like too spicy, then please don't add it. Here I'm using broccoli, cauliflower and carrot. I'll fry for 1 minute, then I'll add spices. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder and salt to taste. Give it a good mix with all the spices and I'll cook it in medium heat. I'll fry for 2 minutes in medium heat. Then I'll add 2 big chopped tomatoes and red kidney beans. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything now. You can add any other type of beans here or any other vegetables as you like. All these different color vegetable gives a nice color in this dish. Now I'll put the lid on and will cook for 5 minutes in low heat. Here I took 1 cup of quinoa and I'll wash it thoroughly. After 5 minutes, I'll take the lid off. All these vegetables will be half cooked by the time. Time to add quinoa now and give it a good mix. We'll mix everything together. Now I'll add 2 cups of vegetable broth. Now again mix everything and put the lid on and I'll cook it for 15 minutes in low heat. After 15 minutes, take the lid off. You can see the quinoas it looks like sprouted one. It's cooked. You can check it. I'll give it a good mix again. This time I'll turn off the gas and put the lid back and leave it for another 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, you can see it's done. Everything is cooked properly. Now time to garnish. You can garnish as per your taste. Here I am garnishing with avocado and fresh lemon juice. It's ready. You can enjoy now. So my one-pot vegan meal is totally ready to have now. Enjoy this food. So that's all for me today. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come back with lots of more new recipes with you. Lovely recipes. So keep watching. Take care. Bye bye.